All Top 10 proudly presents Alternative Treatments for Hair Loss, Hair Growth Tips. Are you worried about your noticeable hair loss yet unable to afford an expensive hair fall treatment? Hair loss may be one of the key factors in confidence loss. We are more likely to have difficulties like hair fall today, which ultimately results in major issues like hair loss. Here are some ideas for promoting natural hair growth. Please click the subscribe button if you're new here and let us know in the comments below saying I subscribed. I'll reply as many comments as I can. Let's start. Number 1. Massage with hot oil. Use heated oil, preferably coconut or almond oil, to massage your scalp in a gentle manner. It conditions your scalp and fortifies your hair's roots while boosting blood flow to your hair follicles. Number 2. Onion juice. Due to its high sulfur content, onion juice heals hair loss, enhances blood flow to the hair follicles, revitalizes hair follicles, and reduces inflammation. The antibacterial properties of onion juice help to get rid of the bacteria that cause scalp infections and hair loss. Number 3. Beetroot juice. In this case, the adage, "solution to virtually all body-related problems can be found in the kitchen," is applicable. Beetroot can help you overcome the dietary inadequacies that cause hair loss. So include it in your diet to help you fight this dreadful problem. Number 4. A green tea. Green tea's rejuvenation and encouragement of hair growth. It also enhances metabolism, which eventually promotes faster hair growth. Simply conditioning your hair with a green tea solution will make a difference. Number 5. Meditate. Stress. This 6-letter term can be linked to a lot of the problems we face. One of the primary problems is hair loss. By including meditation into your regular routine, you can get rid of this irritation. Number 6. Gooseberry Indian, Amla. What is more effective than Amla to treat problems with the hair? Amla, a wonderful source of vitamin C and one of the main reasons of hair loss, is the best way to replenish it in our bodies. Its antibacterial and antioxidant properties decrease dandruff and scalp irritation. Amla aids in maintaining a healthy scalp and provides the nutrition hair roots required to create thicker, shinier hair. Number 7. Mask for natural hair. While not usually composed of chemicals, hair masks are a combination of many good ingredients for hair. To effectively stop hair loss, make hair masks at home with organic items like bananas, coconut oil, olive oil, and honey. Make a honey and olive oil hair pack for robust, wholesome hair. Equal parts olive oil and honey should be combined in a small basin. Sprinkle some cinnamon powder on top of this. After mixing it to a uniform paste, apply it to your hair. Another hair pack that helps enhance the health of your hair is an avocado hair pack. Grab 2 or 3 avocados and start peeling them. Your removed seeds should be placed in a basin. After incorporating a few drops of coconut oil into this pack, apply it to your hair. Avocados are a nutrient-dense superfood with a little amount of magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, vitamin A, B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, and B3, niacin, as well as copper, iron, zinc, and protein. Vitamins K, C, B5, B6, E, potassium, and folate are among these nutrients. Avocados are therefore very beneficial for having healthy hair. Number 8. Neem leaves. Hair loss can be successfully treated with the herb neem, which is well known for its medicinal use. Neem's antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties make it a fantastic remedy for dandruff. Additionally, it strengthens the hair follicles while encouraging hair growth. Additionally, try this neem pack. Make a paste of neem leaves by boiling and crushing them after shampooing your hair. Put some on your scalp. Wash it off in 30 minutes. Repeat the process twice a week to notice the change. Number 9. Aloe vera. Aloe vera enzymes immediately promote the growth of wholesome hair. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera juice or gel taken on an empty stomach and applied topically may encourage the growth of healthy hair. Aloe vera removes dead skin cells from your scalp that could clog the roots of your hair. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help to fight off infections, keep the scalp cool, and fight bacteria. Aloe vera assists in restoring the pH balance of the scalp in order to promote the growth of healthy hair. The blood circulation is improved when castor oil and aloe vera are mixed and applied to the scalp. Thus, it promotes hair development by removing dead skin cells from the scalp and moisturizing the strands. Number 10. Curd paste with egg white. Egg white and curd have been shown to cure hair loss, despite the fact that they may sound like the grossest remedy of all. Eggs are a rich source of sulfur, a crucial ingredient for healthy, thick hair. Egg sulfur promotes the production of keratin and collagen, which eliminates dandruff. Use this fantastic hair pack to your advantage by combining yogurt and eggs. 2 eggs are cracked open, and the whites are placed in a bowl. 2 tablespoons of freshly made yogurt or curd should be added. You can apply this to your hair together with neem powder. This is the topic for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day and will see you all in next video.